So this is a quick video about using the stopwatch on your Beeasy AW02 ultra thin digital watch. And the stopwatch is actually pretty easy to use once you know how to use it, but it's super confusing, like it is on most of these digital watches, to be honest. So to use the stopwatch, you want to go out of your time mode by hitting the mode button, go to ST, that's stopwatch. The main thing you want to do now is know this button on the top right, that's your start and stop. We'll use that to start the stopwatch. You could press it again whenever you'd like to stop it. If the stopwatch is stopped, that means these numbers are not moving, that colon is not blinking, then if you hit reset, it will always zero out. We'll hit start, stop again. While the stopwatch is running, if you hit the reset button, it won't reset it, but rather it will do a split. You'll see basically the time you're at is saved here. This is still blinking. That means the stopwatch is still going. Hit reset again, and remember this was 784. You'll see the stopwatch was running all along. So we hit stopwatch, hit reset again. You'll see our split, 30:18. It's still running. So we'll see where the stopwatch was going. So basically, if you were, say, running, you cross the line or do whatever you did, you hit reset, you'll see where you were on that split. Hit reset again, you'll go back to your overall time. So you essentially are hitting reset to see your lap time. You can, and this is pretty confusing, while you're in split mode, you can actually start and stop the watch. You'll notice that this is no longer blinking once we hit start stop. And what you don't want to do is hit reset now, because you will set this back to zero because everything is stopped and you hit reset. You can resume it by start stop. We're still in split mode, of course. We'll hit reset, we'll go back to the normal start stopwatch. This was still our overall time since we began. So basically, if this is running, hit reset to see the current split time. If you want to zero it out at any point, once you're done using the stopwatch, you will pause it and hit reset. Keep in mind, the stopwatch function does persist as you cycle through your other settings. So mid-race, if you want to check your alarm, you certainly can. Not a popular thing to do, but it will work. When you're done with everything, you hit start stop, reset, your split is gone, and everything is gone. You're back to normal. This will go up to 24 hours, and then it will stop itself, and you'll have to do a new stopwatch. But yeah, that's how you use the chronograph or stopwatch on your Beeasy AW02 digital watch. Thanks for watching.